Understanding maintenance fees, a simple guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrase, maintenance fees. This is a common term you might encounter in various contexts, especially when dealing with financial matters. Let's dive in and make this concept easy to understand. Maintenance fees refer to the regular charges paid to maintain something, usually a property or service. These fees are common in situations like apartment living or using a service. For example, if you live in a condominium, you might pay maintenance fees to cover costs like cleaning, repairs, and upkeep of common areas. To give you a better understanding, let's look at some examples. Condo maintenance. Paying for the cleaning of communal areas, swimming pool maintenance, and security services. Software maintenance. Fees for software updates, technical support, and ensuring the software runs smoothly. Vehicle maintenance. Regular payments for car servicing, oil changes, and repairs to keep a vehicle in good condition. Maintenance fees are vital for several reasons. Ensuring quality. They help in maintaining the quality and functionality of a service or property. Cost sharing. In communal living situations, these fees allow residents to share the costs of common facilities. Long-term savings. Regular maintenance can prevent larger, more expensive problems in the future. I hope this video has helped clarify what maintenance fees are and why they are important. Remember, understanding such financial terms is crucial in managing your expenses effectively. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video.